everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe bell right above my head, the ding, the ding, the ding, ding. And guess what? We have a very new line dance tutorial for you. Okay, we have Usher, Bad Girl Line Dance, coming at you. So happy to be doing it. I love the song. Y'all love the song. And guess what? We got a line dance to go to it. I'll be god dang it. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Let me turn it around. This is my right. This should be your right too. All right. So you're gonna step up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. So you're gonna dip them hips, right? Dip them hips. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right. So a little chop back. Let me stop playing. Let me turn around. 5, 6, 5. It's 4 times. 4 times. Okay. 5, 6. Ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Bow. Bow, bow, bow. So your right foot should be up. Okay. So you got 4 dips. Now you have 4 going back, which looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bow, da ra da da. Bow, da ra da da. So real nice smooth song. You know what I mean? So as you're going back, right? Add your little swag into it. So it's not one of them dances like where I say add at the end. You can add it while we're doing it because it got a nice smooth groove and we are extending the counts out very, very long. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get it, bitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Work it. Work it. Bow. Work it. Work it. Bow. All right. So let me turn back to the back. Let's put those 2 blocks of 4 counts of 8 together so I don't confuse you on what leg. Start with your right leg. Right leg. 5, 6. Here we go. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? 5, 6. Ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2. Hey. 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2. Da-ra-da-da, 3, da-ra-da-da, back it up. All right? So I'm in a smaller space, but if you have more space at home, back that thing up. All right? So you just went boom, 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 boom. Your right foot should be in front, okay? So you're gonna do a little, I say cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, boom, okay? Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope I didn't mess you up right there. So a pivot turn, okay? Go with me here. A pivot turn is just a step, boom. Okay? That's it. Right foot. This repeats 4 times. 5, 6, 7, let's go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. What foot goes up? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What foot goes up? Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just took our last boom, 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 boom. Our right foot is up. Okay, gonna do a little cha-cha-cha. Our step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot. 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 Yes? Yes. Let's put it together. Okay? Put it together from the top. All right? From the dips. What I say? From the dips. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, swag it out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, hey, 2 more. Dip, baby. One last time. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 8. Get it. Ah, ha. Get it. Ha, ha. Right foot up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. Okay? I want to do that section again. I want to make sure you don't get lost in that. Once again, your right foot starts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swag it out how you want. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. That left foot comes in. Pivot. Left foot comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot comes in. Pivot. Right foot comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot on the left. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot on the right. Next, you're going to take 2 counts of 8 to the right. Swagging. It's long, so take your time. You're vibing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, hey, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 2 counts of 8 to your right and 2 counts of 8 to your left. And then guess what? It started to dance all over again. Sweet, right? All right. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take it from the top again. And then we're going to start the dance all over again. Okay? Make sense? I know we got it. Easy. 5. Because you a bad girl. Yeah. I like that. 5 from the dips on the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's dip. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Hup, hup, 2, 2, 3, 4. Hup, 3, 2, 3, 4. Last time. And 4, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up? Da 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 da. What's up? Da 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 da. What's up? Da 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 da. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. Ba ta ta. Pivot. Ba ta ta. Pivot last time. Ba ba ba. 2 over. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2. Hip. Switch it up. Ay. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. Whoop, whoop. Last one. Hey, take it back. Bow. Let's go. Bow. Let's go. Bow. Let's go. Bow. Chop, chop up. Chop, chop. Pivot. You say chop, chop. Pivot. Chop, chop. Pivot. Chop, chop. Pivot over. 1, 2. Hip. 6, 7, 8. One more. Hip. Sweat. 1, 2. Hey. Come on. And my loves, that is it. You did it. Yes, 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 yes. And another one. All right, y'all. So great job as always. If you want to do this dance with me, music, the reel will be somewhere in the description. Just click it. Come join me. Do it. Music. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. And guess what? Until next time, see you on the next video and be blessed. Thank y'all so much.